iMate is coming in Italy with two new smartphones of the Ultimate series, the 8502 and the 9502. Both phones are Windows Mobile 6 based, so smartphones, but they are different in the shape and they are different also in the concept of business. So let's start with the 8502 that has a screen of 2.6 inch with classical resolution of 240 by 320. On the 9502 you have a bigger resolution that is 640 per 480 pixels. So you'll see the web page almost all in it. Both are 65,000 colors, so they're very bright in every kind of condition. We didn't have any problem with the front light, also in the dark or in other situation. The shape is very different, in particular in the keyboard. In fact, in the 8502 you have a very small keyboard. In fact, they are just 5 centimeters 0.2 per 2 centimeter 0.5, and this is really a very huge technique that they have made in the keys. As you can see, they have really a nice shape. So also if you come from the right side or on the left side, you can easily touch the key. You can also use it easily with just one hand, so when you are in motion. And they are very well separated because of the shape of the key. On the 9502 you have a very different keyboard. Also how you handle it is very comfortable, and the keys are bigger. So here really you don't have any problems also in very long emails or short SMS. You just open the flip that automatically landscape the display and you start. All the keys are where you think they are on both sides, on the soft keys, and also the joypad works very easily in this situation. On the right side of both phones you find the balance of the volume that can be used also to zoom in and zoom out in recording, camera application, video recording. There is the audio application to record voice message, camera button dedicated, and you have also here the 2.5mm jack. On the back you have the main camera, also to record videos, and on the main models, the 9502, it's a 3 megapixel with LED flash, and you have the speaker up on. On the 8502 you have a 2 megapixel camera with LED flash, and the speaker is on the right. Here you have all the pen. They are very nice pen because they are telescopic and they are not small, so you can really use very easily without thinking that they will break or without having a good sense in your hands. So a good attention was dedicated how they feel in your hands, this phone. On the left side you have a wheel, very useful. Who has tested the wheel really knows how when you can scroll menu when you are moving, when you are in small places without taking out the pen, and you can easily use also to say yes or not, just pressing the button. audio application. Then you have a mini USB port to sync and to charge. On the 85 model 02 is on the bottom with the 2.5mm jack, microphone for both, upon turning on, turning off button, and the pen. Both of these phones are quadriband with UMTS, HSDPA and HSUPA connection, so you can not only download at 7.2 megabit per second, but you can also upload at 1.9 megabit per second, so it's really like a small DSL in your pocket. And this helps a lot when you connect this smartphone with a PC or a Mac to browsing with mobile connection. On both phones you have also GPS integrated connection, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 2.0, so no problem with stereo handset. And you can connect this phone to the PC and have the screen that you have on the phone on the PC, so no problem for presentation, but also if you want to web browser on a bigger display and the computer of your office doesn't let you go on web, just on the internet. On both phones the memory is 128 megabyte of RAM and 250 megabyte of ROM, so it's pretty enough. But you can expand the memory with micro SD slot, so you can have up to, we've tested 8 gigabytes, but with the update you can also go on 16 gigabyte of memory. The processor is the Qualcomm with 400 MHz that is really optimized. We didn't have any problems to use application like TomTom. Or to stream video or to web browsing and to have different application open, and didn't have any problems. As you can see, there are some applications that you don't know, like device customization and instant support, that I made design for businessmen to have push email made easy to install and disinstall application remotely, but also to lock the phone if they stole it. So if someone put hands on your phone, stole it, you can lock the phone, cancel all your personal data, documents, calendar, contacts, and so you can also lock the phone before they get in. These phones are coming in Italy with a different price. The 8502 is coming at €499 and the 9502 is coming at €599. For Cellulare-Magazine.it, Emilio Vignapiano with the last Ultimate 8502 and Ultimate 9502 of iMate.